You're gonna have a lot of things come against you. You're gonna have people that tell you to stop. You're gonna have challenges that tell you to stop. And you're gonna feel like giving up every day Monday. Because you'll feel like life is beating you over and over. Legends aren't defined by their successes. They're defined by how they bounce back from their failures. The highs I've experienced, they were only possible by how I bounced back from the lows. From those moments when I wondered if it was worth it, or if I was wasting my time, or if I was good enough. People are gonna think you crazy, and sometimes you think you crazy. You're gonna question yourself. It takes guts, gentlemen, to go through. People used to laugh at me in the Detroit when I was sleeping on the floor of my office in the Proscott building. It was rough, gentlemen. It was not easy. When I was laying on the floor looking out of the window, when I was questioning myself, Les, can you do this? I was questioning myself. When you have a dream, the one thing you have to watch out for are those out there that are trying to crush your dream. And you cannot allow that to happen. That is your biggest challenge. It's necessary, gentlemen, that you look at the people in your life. Who do you have yourself surrounded with? It's necessary, gentlemen, that you get the energy drainers out of your life. The dream bastard, get them out of your life. They will deplete your energy. They're gonna laugh at you. You gotta stop looking to others for support and looking inside yourself. The lion in you never retreats. Imagine us taking the lion approach to life. They ain't backing up. A lion don't walk backwards for nothing. You gotta tell yourself, I can do this. You're more powerful than you realize. You're stronger than you think you are. You can survive more than you think you can. You're more capable than you can possibly imagine. It was necessary that I faced a lot of rejection, a lot of laughter, a lot of no's in order to get here, to enjoy the level of success. It was necessary that I faced that. And I'm saying to you, when you are facing those objections day in, day out, don't say I had a bad day today. Say I had a character building day. We can be active participant in our being here, or we can be victim. Before anything can take place, you got to believe in your heart of hearts that it's possible, that you can be this. And this is when your mind has to change. You gotta start thinking, I'm the creepiest man in the world. You gotta start aiming your mind. Start preparing yourself for what's out here in life. Build confidence, build self-esteem. The hardest thing in the world is to believe in you, to believe you're special, to believe you're different, to believe you're supposed to be somebody. The hardest thing in the world is to aspire in all fields. All your worries, all your doubts, all your feeling of inadequacy, to believe in yourself one more time, to pick yourself up off mate one more time. Anybody can believe when the struggle is over. But I want to talk some people who are in the middle of the struggle. And you still believe. I know you're tired. I know your arms are aching. I know your mind is frustrated. I know you feel like it's not fair. I know you feel like throwing up your hand. And you're depressed. And you lost loved ones. And you've been throwing heartache. And it's not the best time in your life. All hell might be breaking loose in your life. And tell them I can do it. If it don't happen, I can do it. If you don't love me, I can do it. If you don't want me, I can do it. If you leave me, I can do it. If you betray me, I can do it.